welcome back to the channel, guys. We are down here at Boosted 931s. Guys, really quick, look at the Nova. Last time you seen this car, it was blue. Now it's got a fresh paint job from Jeff down at SOS, and this thing is killer. Black, got the cow hood. Thing is sick.
Got a motor for it. LSX 408 twin turbo.
So we're gonna put an LSX 408 twin turbo. Man, Jeff did a really good job painting this. There's Jeff Hill down at SOS, right?
Yes, yeah. Team SOS.
Man.
Customs and performance.
There you go.
I got the wheels put on.
Man,
We're still waiting
so
on the
good.
trim. The trim's been on back order now for about 4 weeks. So I just got a confirmation it's going to be here in another week. So it's been 5 weeks I've been waiting.
But guys, I just want to kind of give you guys an update. If you're not watching Boosted 931 channel, go check out Boosted 931. He's got all the content of this, plus his Foxbody Drag car that we're about to go run tonight.
Yep.
And your wife S550, 17?
Yep, 2017 premium, and we got the 69 C10.
69 C10. I got to get back up here and get a video of that.
68 50 block build.
Woo! But guys, yeah, I just want to give you guys an update on the Nova. It is coming along, and man, it is sick. Guys, if you caught my last video, we switched over to 93. I was anticipating getting the turbo kit in this last week and being able to start on the turbo kit this weekend. However, things don't always go according to plans, and hopefully we'll have that kit in soon. But for right now, we came down, I swapped over to the rear drag radios. We are running the stock fronts tonight. I did not bring my full drag pack with me, but we got the rear radios on, and I'm running the car low of 93 now. We're going to fill those up with the E85, and on our way down there, I'm going to swap over to E85, and we'll be at E85 on track, because stock 93 tune is a lot slower than the E85 tune, and if I'm going to run, I want to run fast as this car can run right now. We are also here with Car Mob.
Oh, hey man, how's it going?
I was filming and you were MIA.
Oh, sorry about that.
No, you're good.
Sorry about that.
We're also here with Car Mob, and you just released a video on your new car trailer.
Yes, I
I'm
did.
jealous
Yes,
of you
I did.
guys. Both of you guys got these awesome car trailers, and God, maybe one day I'll have something like this. Put the blue thing up in there, but man.
Gotta protect your investment, man.
That's right. That's right.
This is a 28 foot. I bought a 24 foot.
Okay.
It's a little smaller, but I didn't think I needed something quite this big.
That is big.
350 diesel, I got a F-150, so
Yeah.
4 feet shorter is a little bit better for me.
Actually, a 24 is probably what I would want also.
Yes.
Yeah. You ready, man?
Let's go.
All right.
Get some E85.
It's E85 and get going. Guys, check this out. Check this out. This is a sleeper. SHO. This is Tune, right?
Yes, it is. Tune.
Tune.
Pipes, cold air kit, and the stock blow-off valve with recirculation tube is disconnected, so you can hear the.
And guys, if you don't watch Car Mob, go check him out. He also has a 2019 Mustang GT that's currently at Livernois getting a built engine. It's already got a Whipple, getting a built engine. But look at this thing, guys. It is lower. When I pulled up next to it, I was like, man, this thing is slam.
H&R lowering springs on stock shocks.
I like it. All right, guys, so we are about to head to the gas station. Like I said, I gotta get some E85 so I can switch back over to E85, and we gotta hit the road and get down to the drag strip for the night. We have made it down to Jake's drag strip in Alabama. We are here with Car Mob, Boosted 931. We will be running the blue car tonight. Like I said earlier, we do not have the front runners, but doesn't matter, we're still gonna run it. We are switched over to E85, so we're good to go. And I'm gonna tell you guys, it's a huge difference between the stock 93 tune and the E85 tune. I was driving around on a stock 93 tune. Boosted actually did a video on it earlier, and I said, you need to drive it once you get the E85 in it. Totally different car, and I highly advise you, if you have an 18 to 20 on 93 octane, bump it up to E85, get you a tune if you have E85 in your area, and you will love the car all over again. And guys, don't forget, we are going twin turbo. I know you hear me say that, but as soon as the kit comes in, we are going twin turbo on this car, and I cannot wait. Right lane. We are finally going to make our first pass of the night. Not sure how many passes we're going to be able to make tonight. It got late. Somebody had a wreck on the track. Thank you, sir. All right, so we got a 169.60 with a 755 at 93.7 mile an hour. Guys, this car is a consistent 75, 76 in this air. I think the DA is like 24, 2600. Yep. Thank you, sir. All right, 760 with a 171 at 93. So we slowed down just a little bit. Next day, we stayed at the drag strip late last night, had a blast at the drag strip, watching a lot of racing as you've seen in this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I spent the weekend with these guys, Boosted 931, Car Mob. It used to be the Car Mob and you changed it to Car Mob.
Yes, sir, I did.
But had a lot of fun with these guys, hanging out with these guys all weekend long, went to the drag strip. I let them take the car out with a 93 tune and then the E85 tune. Big difference.
Totally different car, man.
And you've got a supercharged car.
Yes, sir.
But you never put an E85 on it and actually aspirated to see what it would do.
Never did.
They respond very well.
Different car.
All right, guys, if you aren't subscribed, Boosted 931, Car Mob, go check him out, subscribe. He's got a lot of stuff going on his channel. He's got this. I actually rode in this earlier, and I'll tell you, it's E85 stall, Viking shocks, long tubes. He bought this car, and the dealership thought it was just like a...
They told us all it had was an exhaust. So me and her's looking up, we're in American Muscle looking up a full list of stuff to get. We already had it in the cart locally, we didn't order it. We go down there and test drove it immediately. Like, pop the hood, you know, of course, like everybody does. And I seen the cold air intake, and I told her, I said, well, it's got an intake, that saves us a little money. We started driving it, and when I kicked it, I felt the RPM shoot up. I said, this thing's got a stall in it. So brought it back. I said, I asked if I could get the guy's number who had the car. So I got his number. He told me the full build list, and I was like, wow. he failed to tell me it's also got Viking Crusaders on the rear. So I mean, that was even more money, we say. So we're looking at cradle lockouts, a one-piece drive shaft, you know, oil pump gears, and then you're ready for that Gen 5 whip.
Yeah, guys, so go check this out. He's got this, of course. He's got the Nova. He's got a C10. He's got the Predator drag car, which you've seen in the video earlier, which absolutely moves out once you get the seat time in that car, and you're not even full power in that car yet.
Not even close.
That's what's so crazy.
40% is what we did last
yeah
time.
that's a crazy car right there, guys. But he's got all kind of stuff on his channel, so go check him out. And also Car Mob, he is building a 2019 Whipple S550 convertible. He wants to be the quickest S550 convertible out there. He's got his engine being built right now. We talked about that earlier also, guys, so go check him out, Car Mob. I will put a link down in the description for both of these guys. Go check them out. Great guys to hang out with in person. Thanks, and great content from both of their channels, guys. That's gonna be it for this video. I've got to put my street wheels back on, and I've got a 2-hour drive back home and got to edit this video and get it out to you guys. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you next time.